So fighting for equality this morning, several groups from Memphis are now taking their case and their message to the statehouse in Nashville.
Yeah, they'll be leaving in just a few hours. The groups want lawmakers to do more to protect members of the LGBTQIA+ community, especially after several bills passed last session. Stephen Reels is in the university area this morning where the group is meeting. Stephen, they have a lot that they hope to accomplish.
You're right, Yvonne, and right now it's going to be a very busy couple of hours because right behind me you're going to see the bus that they're going to be taking. Around 50 advocates with Memphis nonprofits are going to be going to Nashville to talk to lawmakers and defend LGBTQ+ rights and those with HIV. For groups like the Haven Out Memphis and the Tennessee Equality Project, those bills would prevent certain schools from displaying Pride or Black Lives Matter flags. Another bill would require schools to report to a student's parents and their school leaders if the student were to want to go by a different gender than they were assigned at birth. A third bill would change the amount of time someone could go to jail if they commit sexual assault knowing they have HIV. But that last bill is causing concern for groups like the Haven, who say this bill, the way it's designed, would actually lead people to not get tested and actually deter those who would commit assault.
What we do hear about is rumors of that happening, and it further stigmatizing those living with HIV. It doesn't happen often. We've actually had some calls at certain camps where it may have been happening, and we went and investigated and we did the testing, and it turns out that it was just rumors to try to hurt someone else.
Now this bus behind me is supposed to leave at the top of the hour so they can make it to Nashville by noon to speak with lawmakers. For now, live at the University of Memphis area, I'm Stephen Reels.
All right, thanks a lot, Stephen, for that report. Now, the problems that the LGBTQIA+ community are facing in Tennessee, well, they're not new problems. In fact, according to the Human Rights Campaign, in the past 9 years, Tennessee has enacted more anti-LGBTQ laws than any other state in the country.
Even though these laws are saying that we don't belong here, we do, and that there are people who are ready to represent in this state.
Now, the TEP is calling on Governor Lee to veto a bill that they deem discriminatory. That bill allows a public official to refuse to marry a queer couple who have a legal marriage license.